Welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create a WhatsApp group. Friends, nowadays we all use WhatsApp for our daily needs. WhatsApp is an essential part of our life. Sometimes we need to create a group for our friends, office and others. Today I will show you how to create a WhatsApp group for your need. Open WhatsApp and from the top right corner tap on the three dot menu and select new group. From here search the member of the group. At least one member you have to select. If you want to add more member, then search the name, and if you want to add someone who is not in your contact list, you cannot add the person. To add the person, you need to save the person's contact info on your phone book. If you want to add one more contact of your WhatsApp group, then type the name of the contact. After selecting the contacts for the group, tap the green arrow from your screen and here type the name of your WhatsApp group. This name will show on chat. After typing the name, tap the green tick mark from your screen. Here, your group has been created. From the three dot of your group info, you can see and edit the group info, and you will find other options. If you want to change the group setting, tap on the group settings. Friends, that was our today's video. By this way you can create a WhatsApp group for your needs. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.